Here we have what looks like a solid piece of wood, and I cut off a pine tree this morning that had fallen during the night in the storm. But as you can see, this was somebody's home. This was a home to some red-headed woodpeckers, and they are very, very creative little fellows. That's the entrance to their home. As I turn this camera around here, I'm going to show you their living room. And I don't know exactly how far down this tree that would have went, because I hadn't got the tree down yet. But Mother Nature is very innovative. She builds homes for her babies. Isn't that amazing? Mother Nature can't be fooled. Okay, so long for Monday morning. Enjoy the view.